hear ye, come one, come all. Today I'm going to do a product review. It's a competition, y'all. The Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture and Repair Shampoo versus the Paul Mitchell Bond RX Shampoo. Let's rumble and see which one is better. Hit it! Tubers, I hope you're having a happy hair day. As you can see from my excitement in the beginning, I like this type of thing. Competition. That's what the world is built on. And we competing with the Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture Repair Shampoo versus the Paul Mitchell Bond RX Shampoo. I'm testing these off of 3 different things: the smell, how it lathers, and how it works after you wash your hair. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm not gonna be biased and I'm gonna give y'all honest opinion. The Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture Repair Shampoo is my shampoo. The Paul Mitchell shampoo is founded by Paul Mitchell. It's a big corporation, but does that mean it's better? Okay guys, first I'm going to base it off of the smell. Now this Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture and Repair Shampoo, it has a minty fresh smell. Now I know with men, that's the #1 smell that men like because I did the test. Men like eucalyptus and a minty smell. So that's what Dixon 1737 has, a minty smell. It's the kind of smell that attracts the ladies when you go out. You can GTD. Look up GTD if you don't know what I mean. The Paul Mitchell has more of a fresh scent. When I say fresh, think of like flowers blossoming, walks in the park, more of that type of scent. It's not really strong and masculine, and there's nothing wrong with that, but it has a scent of its own. The winner is, I'm going to have to go with the Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture Repair Shampoo because of the minty smell. And one of the advantages of this shampoo is when you're washing your hair, you not only have the minty smell, but you also have a tingling sensation. It's from the product working, cleaning your hair from the dirt. Category number 2 is lather. Lather is very important. A lot of people associate lather, which is soap suds. The more the soap suds, the more the product they feel that it's working. So let's review the lather. With the Dixon 1737, it has a lot of lather. Those suds are like little soldiers fighting against the dirt, getting that dirt out of your hair. The Paul Mitchell, it has a lot of suds as well. Those suds are doing the same thing. They're fighting, they're getting the dirt out. Lather is very important when you're looking for a shampoo because I don't know about y'all, but I love the feeling of when I'm in the shower, which is very relaxing, and I'm washing my hair. I love the way it lathers. When I have a lot of soap just coming off my head and off my back, and I put the water on it, it's just glistening all down. I like the lather because I feel like the more it lathers, the better the soap is. Now for the winner of the lather, I have to go with Dixon 1737. This was honestly a close competition. The Dixon 1737 shampoo, it lathered a little bit more than the Paul Mitchell shampoo. You can look at when I washed it out, you had the soap suds coming from the front and the back. Pause. The back meaning more soap suds coming down my neck. Seems like y'all, Dixon 1737 is winning so far, but let's get into the final category, which to me is the most important. How does it work after you get out the shower? First up is the Dixon 1737. After I got out the shower, I used the leave-in conditioner and I styled my hair. And I felt like the Dixon's was real good because it made my hair feel full, but it also made it soft at the same time. And my curls were enhanced and my hair was smelling good. It gave me a great feeling. Next, after using the Paul Mitchell shampoo, I did the same thing. It made my hair feel softer. The smell was pleasant. Only thing is, I felt like with the Paul Mitchell shampoo that my hair, it was kind of like compact. It didn't have the fullness the way I like it. Personally, I like when I get out the shower and I put the product in my hair, I want it still to feel full, not matted down. So with the usage of the product, I'm going to have to go with Dixon 1737 again because it made my hair feel more full. My curls were softer and it had a nice shine to it. Before I get to the winner of the competition, let's talk about pricing because I know that's very important. Some people are like, hey, Garrick, I don't care about the lather, the smell, how it works. Just let me know the price. The Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture Repair Shampoo is Paul Mitchell Bond RX shampoo is $26. You can get the Paul Mitchell shampoo on Amazon. The Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture Repair Shampoo right now, we're currently sold out on Amazon. So what I did is I included a link that would take you straight to my Dixon 1737 page where you can purchase the shampoo and it delivers just as quick as Amazon. The Dixon 1737 is 8 ounces. The Paul Mitchell is 8.5 ounces. So they're about the same size. In closing, if you want to go with a bigger brand, then by all means, go with Paul Mitchell. If you want to go with a better soap for your hair, you got to go with the Dixon 1737. And this is owned by me. It is Black owned. I put everything into my products because I've tested all of them with the ingredients. And I'm giving you guys what is the best product out there. You can find the link to my Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture and Repair Shampoo in the description. I hope this video helped you guys. And let me know what shampoo you use. I'll see you guys later. And as always, ciao!